Ready?
I'm ready. We're recording.
There he goes. There's a wind, Dick. Look at that.
I've lost it.
Is gone.
Did you see it?
Yeah. Here it comes.
Where?
Right. It's right. What happened?
Oh, there it's going over the river.
That's your chute didn't open. It's coming back our way.
I couldn't get it.
Those other engines. I wonder if you opened it and then packed it a little looser next time. Has it been packed?
Just leave that the way it is?
Yeah, just.
Hey, has it been packed just sitting in there?
It can't go off.
For a couple of months since you built it?
I just put mine in.
Probably a month and a half. He's go a little higher than these other kids.
So what do I have to do to this?
I'll try to keep up with it this time.
Same engine.
I put a firecracker in his. No, I wanted to.
Blow it off in the car.
Anytime,
Is
Ted.
this the one with the firecracker?
Yep. Close the little guy's lid off.
Got the light on? Holy shit! It is.
Oh! Did it go off?
Yeah.
Wow!
That one's in the river.
We need a wind.
Yeah. Come on.
We need a chute is what we need.
Yeah, it's the chutes. Ted's been sitting too.
Oh shit, there it is.
Oh man.
So we do have the chute too tight or something because it didn't come out.
Yeah, we haven't had a chute really open.
Could you tell if the cone fell off?
Yeah, it blew the cone.
off, no
It
problem.
blew the cone. The chutes just aren't
Put the
popping.
safety key in
And they're tight in there. I mean, it was hell to get them down inside that. Yeah, it's breathing.
But if we open them up now and work them loose a little bit, and then
Well, that's
put
what
them
I'm
back
going to
in,
do with mine when I send
maybe
it
they'll
back
be a
off.
little more pliable.
Okay, so do
Push
that black one down below.
Okay.
Push it.
Gotta hold it down.
There's no way I'll be able to track this.
All right, here goes. Y'all ready? I've lost it. I lost it.
There it is.
Heard it.
Yeah, the chute's out too.
Yes, it is.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Here it comes. Look at this. It's coming right down.
In the tree.
Oh, come on, open.
We need a little wind.
Well, this is perfect.
You're right.
Oh, shit. We gotta get that.
I lost his. When it's and then it's hard to try to find it again.
Pad in action. Rocket boy.
Open up, baby. Open up.
Come on.
It's way up there.
Come
Right
on.
at us.
It needs to hurry up. Look at it. It's gonna come right. It's gonna land in your lap. It's gonna go back to the launching pad. Wind. No, get it. Dive.
Oh!
Went a lot further over than it looked like, didn't it? Cast it. Yeah, Jay, see if you can cast it real quick.
Look,